Hey there friends, thanks for checking in at the range now, and here it is. We the People, Desert Eagle 1911, about 12 yards away. Let's go. Alright, figures the one I would miss would be the large tombstone target. But this thing is a real nice 1911. You can see I did a tabletop review on this, and it is a custom laser cut Cerakoted 1911 made by Magnum Research. The work was done by Outlaw Ordnance, and they did an amazing job. Over on this side it says "We the People." Over here, "Our rights to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed," and you have all the signers of the Declaration on each of the aluminum grips. Just a nice, beautiful gun. I mean, this thing really is a classic. They made 100 of these, and the MSRP is $1,225. They're a special order, but they are available, and I had some people say, hey, I love that, I'm interested in it, and I don't blame you. I mean, this thing is really sharp. It does have a 4.3-inch bull barrel that is bushingless, and the trigger weight is 3.5 pounds. It's incredible. And not only does it look beautiful, but it functions. Although this is my first time at the range, those are actually my first shots, believe it or not. I do have a 10-round mag here. Let's see if I can do better with the tombstone target. I should. It's a 1911 with a 3.5 pound trigger. Wow, what a nice shooting gun. I absolutely love 1911s, and this one is exactly what I hoped it would be. It does have blacked out combat rear sights, front dot, and a nice shooting gun. One of the things that some of the viewers asked was, being that I have the government model Desert Eagle 1911 with a 5-inch barrel, I have this one here, which is the mid-size with the 4.3-inch barrel, and I also have the Undercover with a 3-inch barrel. Some of the guys said, hey, why don't you shoot each of those side by side so we can see the recoil difference between the three models. So I'm going to load up right now. We'll do that, and we'll see if there's a difference with the different barrel length and weights with the 45 ACP. All right, so here we are about 14 yards away. This is what I'm shooting here. Perfecta target loads, 230 grain full metal jacket. And I've got the full-size 1911. It is a Desert Eagle. It does have the case hard frame there. I show it off. Whew, love this gun. But we're gonna check out the recoil. Let me get close here. 5 rounds loaded up, and then I'll grab the other 2. And here is the mid-size 4.3-inch barrel, We the People, 1911. And here we have the smallest one, called the Undercover. It does have an anodized aluminum frame, stainless steel slide, and a 3-inch barrel. All right, We the People, 18 yards away. Let's go. Whoa, there's that 3.5 pound trigger pull. Still hit the target though. I have to say, this gun is performing exactly as I hoped it would. It's a very custom gun that is a nice shooter, and I love the way it looks. I love the way it fires. Now, I am no stranger to the Desert Eagle 1911s. I know what to expect from them, and this is performing exactly, meets all my expectations, and this is going to be another one that I love showing off and performing great at the range. I think it's just a gem. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.